Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. From here you need to click on About Phone at the bottom. Now click on Device Name section over here and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Moon. To save your changes, you need to click on Save. And as you can see, after that, name of my ZTE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!